Meaning of exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point. An exclamation point is a punctuation mark used to indicate strong feelings or emphasis in written text. It is typically used to convey excitement, surprise, anger, or other intense emotions. When used at the end of a sentence, it can change the tone and meaning of the message. An exclamation point can also be used sparingly to make a statement stand out or emphasize a particular point. However, overuse of exclamation points can make the writing seem unprofessional or overly dramatic.